Hello friends, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to install a new GUI environment, that is a Gnome desktop environment on our Centos 7. Right now you can see that our Centos 7 is a CLI based Centos 7 and there is no GUI. My plan is to install some graphical applications and use this lab for our upcoming JNS 3 labs, say our unit labs. So let's see how we can install a Gnome desktop environment on Centos 7. You have to actually, I'm copy pasting a command. This is yum group install gnome desktop. So it will basically install the gnome desktop environment. Okay, we have to, it is telling like the download size is 757 MB and the installation size is 2.3 GB. I'm going to click yes and now we are done with the CentOS 7's gnome installation. Let's see whether the desktop is up or not. So we'll navigate to VMware workstation, take CentOS 7. We will log into that with the root username and password. And we will type startx. Startx is the command which we use to initialize the graphical display. So we can see that the graphical display is now up. So we will bring VMware to full screen. For that we need to use Control Alt and Enter. Now you have to select the language first. Okay, in English we are selecting, then again English, next location service of next. Okay, I don't want to connect to any of my online accounts since this is a lab environment. So we will start using Centos 7 right now. We will close this one and we will increase the resolution. Sorry, not from here. I think I have to change it from the display settings. We'll go to 1 second. Okay, we will go to system tools settings. Inside that, okay, it was the same thing. So here we want to look for something like display. Okay, I selected displays. Here I have to select resolution. I have to move it a little bit. So my resolution is 1920 by 1080, which I don't think it's here. Okay, I think issue is that I have not installed the graphical support on this VM. So we will shut down this VM. Power off. Again, we'll click OK. Now you have to edit the virtual machine settings and add the 3D support. Go to display, accelerate 3D graphics. They are giving a warning symbol telling that your Virtual machine. I mean, VMware tools need to be updated in order to enable 3D acceleration. Okay, we can look into that. Right now, we will go to 768 MB of VRAM. Click OK. Start the virtual machine again. Okay, we will type the username and password. We will type start text again. Okay, now you can see that the VM is in full screen. Last time it was having issues because there was no proper graphical support. I hope this particular video was really informative for you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Please click the thumbs up button as well as the bell icon. Bell icon will help you to get insights on my new uploads.